Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best wide-angle dashboard cameras that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have 70mm dash camera for cars. The camera which we are speaking about now supports 1080p Full HD recording. It has a viewing angle of 130 degrees. There is a G sensor that can detect an accident. In the case of the crash, it auto-saves the footage in the emergency events file. It means that you can access that footage without any problem. Additionally, it supports SD cards up to 64 gigabytes. The 70mm camera is Wi-Fi compatible. You can easily access it through your smartphone. There is also an app that allows you to the live stream without any issues. You can download the recorded files as well. The small size along with multiple applications makes it a good choice. Moving on at number 4, we have Rexing V1 Car Dashcam. The wide-angle dashboard cameras. It is necessary to choose the one which provides all-around performance. The one which we are going to discuss now is precisely such a camera. It has a screen of 2.4 inches. The LCD screen allows you to view the recording easily. The angle at which it can record is 170 degrees. It is one of the best wide-angle dashboard cameras. It can record videos at 1080p. A discreet design helps you to hide it during the installation quite easily. The wide dynamic range helps it to record videos in low light conditions. The 6-layer glass lens improves the quality of the recording. With the loop recording feature, you can record the loops of 10 minutes or 5 minutes, or 3 minutes. The choice is entirely up to you. When the SD card is full, it will automatically overwrite it and start recording right away. Also, it can support an SD card of up to 256 gigabytes, which certainly makes it a good choice. With the help of the G sensor, it can quickly detect any collision and protect its footage. Moreover, there is a 24-hour parking monitor as well. The auto on/off feature means that you will not have to worry about manually turning it on. It can work in the temperature ranging from -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. An in-car power cable of 12 feet and a USB computer cable comes along with the package. When looking for the best wide-angle dashboard cameras, this is one of the most suitable options for you. At number 3, we have 8mm Dashcam. The next camera on our list offers a 3-inch LCD screen. The field of view is 170 degrees and it could record video at 1080p. It can capture not only videos but also images. The super-wide viewing angle means that there are no blind spots at all. The G sensor can detect any collision or sudden vibration in the vehicle and protects that image and video. The night vision feature means that you can record the footage in low light quite easily. There are different modes of operation like motion detection, loop recording, parking monitor. All these modes allow you to use the camera as per your preference. It supports 32 gigabytes of SD cards. All in all, the night vision capability on the large screen makes it an option worth considering. At number 2, we have Rexing V1 P2.4, LCD FHD dashboard camera. The main advantage of this wide-angle dashboard camera is the 2.4-inch LCD screen. It supports full HD recording at 1080p. The field of view is 170 degrees, which is another advantage. The dual channel records 2 different perspectives. The rear camera and a front camera is a definite advantage. Also, the loop recording feature means that once the SD card is full, it will erase it and starts storing the recording. It supports SD card up to 256 gigabytes. There is a G sensor which detects the accidents and auto-saves the footage. You will not lose it irrespective of the recording after that. There is a parking monitor as well which provides you with 24-hour protection. The expandable memory card support and a wide viewing angle along with dual channel design make it a pretty good choice. And finally at number 1. Asafe Dual Dashcam for cars. With the capturing angle of 170 degrees, the camera which we are speaking about now can easily record the entire road. It has a resolution of 1080p. There is also a night vision lens which can record across 120 degrees angle at a resolution of 720p. You can adjust its position by 60 degrees, which is a definite advantage. There are different modes on offer like motion detection, parking mode, loop recording, G-sensor mode, audio recording mode and record mode. All these modes ensure that you can use the camera as per your preference. The auto start and auto shutdown feature makes sure that you don't need to worry about starting it manually again and again. Also, it captures license plates with clarity along with the timestamp. It supports micro SD cards up to 64 GB to save a significant amount of videos. Thus, the combination of these features with different modes makes worth buying. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.